Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites: your Google account credentials, the phone number tied to Google Pay, and at least one recovery method. Once done, make sure the target phone is updated and connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. You need access to the SIM or the authentication app because Google Pay sends verification codes. Without them, you cannot finish sign-in. Prepare biometric or PIN unlock on the new device, so you can enable quick authentication after login and speed up the setup. You now install Google Pay and open it, then tap to sign in with your Google account. When prompted, select the account you use for payments. Make sure to grant required permissions so card capture and SMS OTPs work. Next, follow the identity prompts. Accept device authentication, enter the OTP sent to your number, or approve via your authenticator method. Once verified, you may be asked to reauthorize saved cards or re-link your bank UPI. This protects your funds and confirms ownership. You finish by setting Google Pay as your default payment app, enabling fingerprint or PIN for fast transactions, and confirming each saved card or bank link. Once cards are re-verified, test a small authorization or UPI payment to confirm everything works. If something goes wrong, check that the SIM is active on the phone, the device clock is accurate, and your Google account settings allow sign-ins. If OTPs aren't arriving, toggle airplane mode or contact your carrier. These checks solve most login issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.